today. We can talk in here because it's not windy. It's windy outside. This is the last load of 5 bucket loads of compost from rare cows. I'm not sure how rare they are, but apparently they're a special breed. I don't know if their poop is any better, but certainly there's a lot of worms in there. Right, so this is the day number 3 of getting loads of compost, and we're just about full. I think you can see that, right? We collected a lot, 4 over the last 2 days, and then 1 more today, for the princely sum of €100. So 5 loads of compost for €100. That's damn good. I don't think you could do better than that unless you actually had cows, maybe yourself. I'm going to keep doing this. You can film me doing it, walking back and forth. There's nothing technical about it. It's a necessary step when your soil is as bad as our soil is. Alright, so come along, and I'll probably fast forward this bit in the end video. This shovel, I don't know what it's called, this style, but it is awesome. You just let gravity do its work. It's excellent. think one more, maximum two. Only half a load left. Get wormy with it. That's a lot easier than what I was trying to do with the rows. That was crazy. that's it. 5 loads of compost. I've got some free grapevines. Isn't that nice? All for 100 euros. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, you got to know a farmer, because farmers have cows. When they winter the cows, this particular farmer makes 900 tons of manure every winter. So we're helping him out. I told him to save us some for next year, so we really appreciate that. Very, very helpful. Now our garden is going to be alive. No matter how much living bacteria is in this right now, it's going to start moving around. Once you start sort of amending it into the soil, the nutrients will be spread out over the whole garden, not just lumped in the middle. Then we'll start making rows and things, maybe in a few weeks, because I'd like this to sort of sit and settle. I'll move it around with a rake so it's a bit more even, and then maybe water it every few days just to make sure it doesn't dry out. Otherwise, I've still got to put this rail in here before I start really doing much garden work. But other than that, it's going to be solid garden work from now till maybe mid-October or November. I'm sure it's going to be very busy in the garden, so stay tuned. My name's John Green. Behind there's Dominique Green, and together we do the Green Ideas channel. So this is what we've done lately. John Green's greenhouse. You're going to see more of us sort of raking things in, bringing things to life. Is that concrete? Yep. And making this into a place where we worship the goddess. I think I'm joking. Goddess. So there'll be some shrine set up at some point after we get our grapes growing and our other vines going, our beans, our chilies, our tomatoes, and all our other vegetables that we're growing, and all our root crops. There's going to be tons of videos. So every week I'm going to be posting a new video right here on Green Ideas. You can donate if you want to. How? Just check out the link below, and there's a link. You can just click on that, donate anything. $5 is plenty. Of course, you know, if you donate a little more, I'll name a tree after you. And you know, I'll put people's names on this greenhouse that have donated. Maybe eventually it's full of subscribers' names and donators' names. That would be nice. Alright, so there's still more garden work to be done today. Can't sit around gas bagging the whole time. Alright, so thanks for watching. This is Green Ideas.